Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What we'll be doing today is I'm making a DIY oat milk. So I'll show you guys how to make the oat milk first, and then I'm going to make, well, I guess the Trini Banana Punch with the oat milk after. So what you're going to do is you're going to put some ice into the blender, as you guys can see there, and then you're going to use rolled oats. So this is what the oats looks like here. So I'm going to put 1 cup of rolled oats into the blender, but before I do that, I'll just throw it over into here. And this has ice, so I'm going to put 2 cups of cold water. So in all, you should have 4 cups of basically cold water, because if you do not use cold water, what will happen is your oat milk will be slimy. So because I already have this amount of ice in it, I'm just going to add only 2 cups of cold water into the mixture. So I've added my 2 cups, and now I'm going to add my oats. So I'm adding that into the mixture. You're not going to let this blend for really long, because you don't want to warm up the mixture in any way. So what you're going to do is you're going to just feel it as you're blending it, and basically that's how you make oat milk. So So now that it's blended up, I'm using this cloth here to strain it. That is to get all the milk out of the mixture. And you could use the byproduct of it, I guess, to make other recipes. So basically what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to strain, as I said before. This is still cold, as you can see the frost on it. And I'm just going to strain the oat milk now with this kind of cheesecloth. So guys, this is what the oat milk looks like here. And I have 6 bananas, so I'm going to add some of the oat milk into this container here, into the blender, sorry. I'm just leaving a little bit so I can taste it. And I'm going to add in the bananas now. And again, I'm using 6 bananas. And then I have some Nestle sweetened condensed milk. So I'm going to open that up. At least try to. Right. And I'm going to add, let's say, half of it. And then I'll taste the mixture to know exactly what it is I need to add or take away in the mixture. So I've added half of the condensed milk there. I'm also going to add a few blocks of ice. And then I'm going to blend it up. It may be a little loud, guys, but I'm going to blend it. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to give that a little taste test and see exactly how it tastes. If it's sweet enough, if I need to add a little bit of oat milk into it. So that's what I'm going to do there. Just give it a little taste test. It needs to get some more condensed milk. Some more condensed milk there, a dash of bitters, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And we're going to blend this up again until it's well incorporated. So guys, I'm just going to taste it again. See how this tastes. Yep, that's it there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw out a bit of this into my cup. I'm just going to add a dash of cinnamon on top of it. And guys, this is what the Trini Banana Punch looks like. So I'd like to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with a friend, as sharing is caring. So until next time guys, bye guys.